What's your name?
Steve,
And where are you from?
Orange, California.
And what do you do for a living?
I work in the landscape business.
Okay. So, how is your experience with the HKP Kung Fu Taston martial art?
Oh, it's been great. It's been very enlightful. Everybody's very attentive. Everybody's watching you and coaching you and teaching you, and everybody's friendly. And it's been a great experience, and I really enjoy it.
Okay. How is the teaching being conducted at the HKP Kung Fu Taston martial art?
Oh, like I said, they're really good at noticing all the little imperfections, I guess you'd say, and guiding you in the right way. Always have a good face as far as happy and always willing to help. And everybody's been really great here.
Okay. And how's your experience with the art that they teach called the Black Flag Wing Chun?
I think it's very good. I can see the potential. Right now, I'm really starting out and kind of working my way through it. And I can see there's really a lot of potential in the future for inner strength and using the calmness kind of to my advantage. And so that's what I'm looking forward to.
Okay. Would you recommend this to the people that you know within your
Oh,
circle?
yes, very much so. Yes, I've trained in other arts and I recommend it to anybody.
Okay. Thank you so much, Steve.
Thank you.